Hi, I'm Deborah and today I'm at the big city. And as I can see before me, there's 2 construction sites going on at the minute, but it seems to be taking an awfully long time for them to actually get things built. Should we have a look?
Right, we need to build our foundation. Let's get spreading the sand out.
Righty-ho, I'm on it.
I think we're almost done. What do you think? You need to do a little bit more. I'll get on it. Oh, it's hard work. You know what to do. It's time to push the sand out. We got to do our foundation. I'll start that then, boss. No worries. Almost done, but you need to make it a little bit thinner. Oh, hard work. Hard work. All right, let's bring out the foundation panel. To you. All right. Backwards. I'm getting there. Oh, now slowly down. Hey, they already have the foundation laid over there. We need to speed things up. We need to be finished before them. Let's get some more sand in here, quick. Sand arriving, beep beep. Watch out. That should be enough. Right, got to hurry. We need to beat them. Oh, the sand's hard work. Let's see if that's any good. Looks good. Let's bring in our foundation panel.
Foundation panel coming in. Watch out. Coming through. Landing.
Wait, they just got their panel laid next door. We need to hurry up. Let's get rid of the excess sand.
Right you are, boss. Right you are. Let's get this sand cleaned up.
Okay, let's bring back the truck. Let's dump our first load. Coming through. 1, 2.
Right, that's pretty good. Let's get the last sand cleaned up. Okay, let's try and finish the sand on this side. We're almost there. That should do it. Oh, it's a heavy one. Okay, you can take it away.
Remove the excess sand. Right. Oh. I think I'll need the truck now.
Coming in.
Thanks, truck. Oh. It's a heavy one today. Do you mind moving a second, truck?
No problem. So it looks like we've got a competition on our hands. The orange hats seem to have a bit of a head start, but right now the yellow hats have picked up and they're actually on fairly even territory. Who do you think is going to win?
Right, let's bring them in. Let's get building this.
Right you are, boss.
They're at first level already. Let's get building. That's good. Let's get the flooring in.
Oh no, wait, look. They're winning. Look how tall their building is already.
We're gonna win this for sure. Not if I have anything to do with it.
We're done. We're finished first.
What? We're almost done. Come on then, let's finish our job.
Wow, your building is really beautiful. But we still finished first.
How did you guys do it so fast? We were ahead of you. Teamwork!
Wow, what an exciting day in Big City, and amazingly, both teams have finished their buildings. Now, it looked like the yellow team were going to win, but amazingly, the orange team, with their great teamwork, actually won in the end, and don't they both look beautiful? Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!